You search how to buy shares of the Vita Coco Company Inc. The company is known for coconut water and related beverages. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker COCO, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker COCO to find the Vita Coco Company Inc. Select the NASDAQ listing that matches the company name to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart showing recent trading activity. Confirm the listing shows the Vita Coco Company Inc. trading as COCO on NASDAQ before proceeding. Tap Invest. Enter the amount you want to allocate. Review the order details, and then confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio so you can monitor it. For the example platform link, check the description below if you want to explore eToro further.